Hi children, in this class we will start with the poem that is sonnet. Sonnet is nothing but the 14th line poem and that has a syllabus as per the 10 lines. Okay, each line will be explained in the 10 as per the 10 syllabus. Is nothing but explanations will be more. In another word, delightful tones. Sonnet is a delightful tones. It is written by Tara Dutt. Now, we will read the poem once. Before that, do you have a park in your town? Has it trees, plants and bushes? Or more space given to a lawns? What do you think a park must have? Tree or lawns? Which looks more beautiful? Why? In this poem, Tara Dutt describes the beauty of the garden around her bungalow. Okay, first she is asking that whether you are having a park or in your town and it contains tree, plants and bushes. Yes, in our town we have lot of parks, right? And they contains trees, plants and bushes also. And the space is given for the lawns. And park must also have the trees and lawns. Someone needs animals also in the park. Some needs water, that is waterable plants or show pieces in the park. Some needs other things. Okay, different members need different opinions about the parks. Now in this poem, what is Tara Dutt doing? She is comparing the beauty of the garden in her bungalow. She is staying in a bungalow and she has a park in her bungalow and she is comparing that with the beauty of the nature. Now we will read that. A sea of the foliage birds our garden round, but not a sea of the dull unweighed green. Sharp contrast of all colors here are seen. The light green, graceful tamarind around, amid the mango clumps of the green profound, and the plums arise, like pillars grey, between and o'er the quiet pools, the similar lean, red and startling like a trumpet sound, but nothing can be lovelier than the ranges of bamboos to the eastward when the moon look through their gaps and the white lotus changes into a cup of a silver. One might swoon, drunken with beauty then, or gaze on a pavilion hidden in amaze. What she is here to explain? She is explaining the beauty of her garden. That is a sea of the foliage, a stretch of there, especially having some growing leaves, evergreen leaves on a particular plant. We are having different type of plants, different type of show type of the plants. She has some plants and that are having evergreen leaves and they are very tall. And it is situated at a particular point on a plant or a tree, but not the sea of the dull unweighed green. Okay, she doesn't like the dull trees, that is the dry leaves, she doesn't like it. Sharp contrast of all colors here are seen. The light green, graceful tamarind abound. Is nothing but she is comparing evergreen surroundings with her family gardens, with the sea as no unchanging green color. Her garden is filled with the exciting shades of the green and the light green color of the tamarinds. The deep green of the mango groves, that is she is having the clumps of the mangoes, that she is having the mango trees, and also the grey green of the starchy plants. And also the delightful trees. She having the small trees, bushes, plants, all are seen together. That has created a rainbow like scene. That is, all colors are able to see in her garden. Red and starting like a trumpet sound is nothing but red color roses or different type of the leaves also. Some leaves are also red. And in evergreen, all the greenery in between red, in between yellow flowers, it will create a lovely range of the lotus. And eastwards, the bamboo trees is bending towards the eastward, and when we see the moon, when the moon rises, the cup of a silver, the lotus would look like a cup of a silver, because the lotus is in the light pink color. In the night time it will usually look in the silver color. One might swoon, drunken with the beauty then, or gaze and grace on a pavilion Eden in amaze. Okay, it has created the great wonder. We can see different type of bushes, different type of plants, different type of flowers, different colors. It will create a very good comparisons and also a very good evergreen surroundings. In between the bungalow, all the surroundings are seen with the flowers, trees, plants. It has created the beauty has created her to a drunken person. Is nothing but she is addicted to the beauty of the nature. She is not able to live that amazing and great wonders of the nature. Evergreen, and also comparing the surroundings with her and also to our parks. She has having a lot of plants in her park. In our towns also we are having a lot of plants. We are able to have a clean and breeze and pleasant air in our parks. And if we sit in the lawns, we are having some lawns also. In a home we are having some lawns. In the park we are having lawns. What we'll do, we will sit there and watch small children playing. It may be different type of flowers. Okay, all these things are created a great wonders in the nature. Thank you all.